This video is brought to you by UC San Diego TRiO Outreach Programs. How to register for the SAT and ACT, a two-part series. Part 1, How to register for the SAT. The first step is to create your own College Board account. You can create your own College Board account at www.collegeboard.org. Click Sign Up in the middle of the page. Next, you will select the I'm a Student option. This account should be yours and not your parents'. After selecting the I'm a Student option, you will be taken to this page. Fill in your general and personal information. Create a username that you will remember. It is a good idea to write it down because you will need it to send your scores to colleges. For your password, enter capital SUSAN1234! This will allow Susan to access your account and pay for your SAT. Later, you should go back and change your password. It is up to you and your parent if you want to fill in the parent information at the bottom of the page. Select I agree to the terms and conditions at the bottom of the page. You will then be asked to confirm that your information is correct. Next, you will be redirected to the College Board home page. Select the SAT option at the left. Next, select Register Now in yellow. You will be asked to verify your password. You should enter capital SUSAN1234! Before you register for the SAT, you will need a valid photo for your test admissions ticket. It is also recommended that you do not opt out of the essay portion. Select Continue at the bottom of the page. Next, you will be asked to update your personal information. Then, you will create your student profile. You will be asked about your GPA and several course grades. You do not have to answer these questions if you choose not to. Review the SAT terms and conditions and then check the box at the bottom of the page to agree. Select the test type. You can choose between subject tests and SAT. Then you will choose your test date. Be aware of the registration and late registration deadlines. A fee will be applied if you register before the late registration deadline. We strongly encourage you to select Yes for SAT essay. Select No for fee waiver. The cost of your SAT will be covered by TRiO. You will have the option to add the Student Answer Service. This will give you a report of your test performance. You will also get a copy of your essay. The following is a list of current registration deadlines and dates. Next, you will choose your test center. Search test centers by zip code. Depending on the day you want to take your test, there may not be available seats in your zip code. It is important to register in advance. You can try expanding your search by selecting Try expanding your search to 75 miles of your zip code, or by entering a different zip code. Next, you will be asked to upload a photo. The following is a list of photo requirements. Your appearance in your photo must be how you look on the day of your test. The photo must show only you in the photo. You must be fully facing the camera. The photo must show your head and shoulders only. There must be a clear view of your face. Your head must be uncovered unless for religious purposes. The photo must easily be recognizable as you, and the light must be properly exposed. You can see examples of acceptable photos before you upload your own. Be sure to check the file format of your photo. It must be a JPEG, GIF, or .png. Next, you will go to checkout. Susan will pay for your SAT by accessing your account using the password capital SUSAN 1234 ! That we set up earlier. After your SAT has been paid for, change your password to something you will remember and write it down. Up next, register for the ACT.